We have a lot of container formats. Now, there are some popular ones and not so popular ones. Generally, the ones you choose will depend on your use case. For example, for video formats, if you want a general purpose video, you generally want to use MP4. But if you want a general purpose video with an open format, then you can use the WebM. WebM or web media is designed for use on modern websites. So it's based on a free and open technology. Now, if you decide that you want a high compression video optimized for slow connections, like on mobile devices, you can decide to use 3GP, which I haven't listed here. And of course, if you want compatibility with older devices, you can use QuickTime. And then, of course, you have MP3, which is general purpose playback. You have WAV, which is uncompressed. And you have a lot of other options. Now, generally, you have the option on HTML of listing multiple sources and allowing the browser to choose the best or which one is supported. We will go into that. And I'll link a resource where you can read in depth on these different container formats and their pros and cons.